Calculator Guys Studio.
Yo, this is my Facebook revamp. This is my Facebook rant/review. Yo, this is Kamal Suttles. Yo, just a note to everyone in the world. Like, if you don't like me on Facebook, and if you ain't my friend on Facebook, then fuck you, yo. You don't want to be my friend on Facebook, fuck you. You know, I'm sick of all these block friends and I'm friend requesting people and they trying to block me behind my back and shit. And I got Facebook sending me messages like, I can't, you can't keep sending out, friend requests to people that you don't know. Well, duh, you don't know anybody on Facebook. It's a fucking social network. It's just an internet virtual medium, virtual interactive social network. You don't actually know the people. You're meeting new people on Facebook. That's the point of Facebook. That's why Mark Zuckerberg is a billionaire who invented this shit. People, if you don't fucking like me on Facebook, I'm just letting you know, fuck you. And all the pretty girls on Facebook that poke me and like me, and you guys don't want to Skype me, then I know that you're probably some old fat white dude. Fuck you as well. I'm not with that catfish shit. So all the pretty sexy girls that's on Facebook and y'all don't Skype me back and I don't see how you really look, chances are it's catfish. And I'm not fucking with that shit. It's Kamal Suttles signing off. If you don't like me on Facebook, fuck you. You ain't gonna be my friend on Facebook, fuck you. And all my good friends on Facebook, I love you.
Calculator Guys Studio.